You can make delicious icing in no time at all. This is a versatile icing that can be used for many types of baking, and it only takes 2 minutes to make. Add a cup of icing sugar to a medium-sized bowl. No icing sugar? We've got you covered.
We have a video on how to easily make it.
Just click on the link in the description. Now add a tablespoon of your preferred liquid. These are some options. We are adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here are some other options. Mix with a whisk or spoon. It will be a bit thick and hard to mix. If it's too hard, add another tablespoon of the same liquid you started with. Mix again. If it seems too runny, add a little more icing sugar and mix until the consistency is thick but slightly fluid. This is the perfect consistency. Your icing is ready.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
It's best to use it right away as it will dry out if not. Don't worry if you can't. You can just add more liquid if it gets dry. If you like this video, we think you'll love this one.